Hi, my name is Isak and I'm 15 years old. I have been programming for about 2 years now. I prefer working with Python, C++ and Arduino. I began as an intern at PiezoMotor last November. Here in Sweden we have an internship week in school where we intern at a workplace. I chose PiezoMotor because I wanted to learn more about that technology. When I began, I got to play around with the motors. I thought for a bit and came up with the idea that you could control these motors using Arduino. The plus side of it is that you can easily and cheaply make systems which you control these motors in conjunction with the sensors and or other devices. I told the people working here at PiezoMotor about my idea and they liked it. They gave me the task of developing a prototype. This brings us to now, and here it is. This is the Arduino where the program is located, and this is the RS48552TTL converter module that I use for serial communication between the Arduino and the PMD401. Here I have mounted a laser on the motor leg. What I did was I programmed the Arduino to randomly choose to what position the laser should go to. When the Arduino has chosen what position to go to, that LED will turn on. Now the Arduino has chosen that position, so the laser is moving to that photoresistor. That LED will turn on, and the Arduino will send a command to the PMD401 to tell the motor to go to that position. These photoresistors are here to detect when the laser has reached the chosen position. When it has, the Arduino understands that the laser is there and it chooses another position for the motor to go to. And let's not forget about this OLED panel I have here. It shows you what step the motor is on. It means what position the motor is in. The motor I'm using is the LL06 motor from PiezoMotor. This setup is just proof of concept. It has no real-world application. But it shows you that you can essentially control any electronics device you buy easily and cheaply using Arduino as a controlling device. This is me and what I've done for PiezoMotor the last months. Thank you PiezoMotor for giving me this opportunity.